In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo flows. Starting with Klaviyo, an email marketing platform that's specially designed to help you orchestrate engaging marketing campaigns and automation flows. Let's dive right in on how you can set up these powerful automation tools, or flows, as they're called in Klaviyo. First things first, head over to Klaviyo's website. You'll find the login page right off the bat. If it's your first time visiting, create an account. If you're returning, click on the login button to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, and go ahead and fill those in with the credentials you set up when you created your account. Once you've entered your login information, hit the login button again to access your Klaviyo dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo homepage. At this stage, you're all set to begin the magic of automating your email marketing efforts. Navigate your way to the Create Flow option. Klaviyo flows allow you to automate email sequences based on specific triggers and conditions that you define. This is where the true power of email marketing automation comes into play. Once you've clicked on Create Flow, a variety of pre-built flow templates will appear. For today's purpose, let's select the Customer Thank You flow. This is a simple yet effective flow to start with, expressing gratitude to your customers after they've made a purchase. Clicking on this template will take you to a more detailed setup page. On the setup page, you'll see an option titled Create Flow. Click it to begin customizing your Customer Thank You flow. You'll be directed to a workflow where you can visualize how your automated emails will be sent out. To get more specific, look for and click on the Manage Flow button. You might notice that the Manage Flow step is listed twice. This isn't an error, but a crucial part of the setup process. Your first click on Manage Flow opens up the flow sequence showing how and when emails are dispatched. The second Manage Flow click allows you into a more detailed editor where you can tailor the content and timing of each email within the flow. Before you send out your beautifully crafted thank you emails to your customers, it's paramount to review everything. Look for the Review and Turn On button. This final review step is your safety check, ensuring everything is set just the way you want it. After reviewing, if all looks good, it's time to bring your email flow to life. Lastly, after turning your flow on, don't forget to save your changes. There's a save option available for this exact purpose. Click it and voila, your Customer Thank You flow is now live and ready to automatically engage with your customers post-purchase. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up a Klaviyo flow, specifically the Customer Thank You flow, from start to finish. This is just the beginning of what you can do with Klaviyo flows. They're incredibly versatile and can be felted into a vast array of sequences such as cart abandonment, welcome series, birthday emails, and much more. Remember, the key to successful email marketing automation lies in personalization and timing. Take your time to understand your audience and tailor your flows to meet their needs and expectations. Test different approaches, refine your strategies based on the data you collect, and always keep your customer's experience at the heart of everything you do. That's all for today's tutorial on setting up Klaviyo flows. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to fine-tune your existing strategies, Klaviyo's automation capabilities are designed to boost your efforts and help you achieve your marketing goals. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your email marketing campaigns thrive like never before. Happy emailing,